last 6 weeks, and it's just been so lovely to get to know you and obviously get you adjusted. Why did you come in?
Because I had a really bad back pain that was unusual to something I'd had before. So I thought I need to look at what we can do to get that sorted out.
Get that checked out, absolutely. And so yeah, we're on our last adjustment today. I'm going to miss you loads. But yeah, I'm just so glad that I can help you.
Yeah, so am I.
Legend. So let's get you in your front, let's get you adjusted. Okay, yeah. So when you're feeling like Vicky's neck, we're trying to feel like a hard infeel that's just not moving as what we want it to. So just over there, you'll feel there's a bit of tightness. Just over there, we're just going to get some movement. Nice we breath in. And try and relax. It's not going to move as we want it in that area. Let's get you on your back first, please. You're gonna miss that.
Yeah,
so much.
Addicted to the crack.
And wow, 2 big adjustments today.
Special ones, you saved them to last.
Just for you, for us. So lower back's moving a lot better. We've got rid of that discomfort that's happening in that lower back, which is awesome.
Yeah.
So we check here, see that everything we can hold. Right was going closer, left is locked up. So we want to get that movement. Okay. Nice big breath in, please. And breathe. Nice big breath in. And let it go. Oof. We're getting them all done today.
Yeah.
And then last one, you're going to get on your let's get you on your right hand side, can you please? And then. And then just hold that through. And then on your back. Lovely adjustments. Thank you, that's your last adjustment. You've been amazing, and thank you so much for trusting with your care. Cool, done. Hey guys, it's Dr. Dean here. Welcome to my channel. As I've just said, I'm Dr. Dean. I'm also known as the Celebrity Chiropractor. If you are not on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you like what you see throughout my chiropractic journey, how I get people better, please like and subscribe to see more here.